Canva text effects. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create these text effects on Canva, how you can create amazing aesthetically pleasing text fonts on Canva by yourself, and you can actually make your presentations, your videos look more professional. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to canva.com and you will land on this platform right here. Canva is amazing creative tool that allows you to create your own videos, to create your presentations, Instagram posts, logos, and much more. So when it comes to creating anything, for example editing your videos or creating presentation, text is an important part of it, and we are always looking for new fonts because when you are working you need a new font for every video, right? And today I will show you how you can create these amazing text effects with Canva. So let's get started. I have opened up a blank canvas, and here I will show you how you can create this very fun text effects with Canva. So let's get started. First I'm going to create a effect in which we will have a background, or how to add an image into your text. That is what I am going to do. So what I have to do now is I will simply go to elements, and in elements I'm going to search for alphabets. So I am actually going to go for the frames. So in frames we actually get this option right here. You will actually find all the alphabets right here, and they are all frames, so we can add images into it. So first what you have to do is make sure what you want to write and select all of the frames at once. So what I am going to do is, let's just write hello. Okay, so I'm gonna go for H, E, and then L, and then another L, and then we have to add O. Perfect. So for now let's just let them be. So make sure you kind of like align them so you have an idea they all are equal in size. So what I am going to do is I will open it up so I can actually check out my word. Perfect. So simply click right here, H, and then we have E, and then we have L. So we have two L and O. So this is actually pretty big. So what I'm going to do is I will actually make it a bit smaller. So we have perfect size. So again, I will make it smaller, put it right here. On Canva, you get these pink lines. They actually help you align your text better. So now you will see that they are kind of like matched. There you go. So now it's, if we go right here, then I have to make it bigger. So let me just align this with size, and then they will be perfect and they will actually align better together. Perfect. So you can see right here now I have this text, and this is like kind of aligned. So we can actually change the background if we want to. So let's go with a colorful background so you can actually get a good view of what I am doing. So we can go with a yellow one. Okay, so this I kind of like gives a good view. Perfect. Now what I can do is, these are all actually frame. So now I can add any image I want to into these letters. So you can add your own image. Sometimes we want to write a name. Let's just say you can write your own name like this, and then you can add your images into the letters. That is how it is going to work. So let's go to photos, and for now let's just go with a weather theme, like simple as that. So we can go for seasons, and I have typed in the photos, and then now I can go for any images and I will simply add them right here. So how to do that? You select an image and you drag it above that section. So I'm going to drag it above H. So now it is added to H right here. After that, I can go ahead and add next image to E. Let's go with this one maybe. And what I will do is drag it and drop it above E. Perfect. Now I can go for another image, and this is how I will add every image to all of these different elements. Perfect. So you can see right here, I have added these images into this. So even in the background, now I am thinking that I should go with a, season based image. So it will kind of like get along with our text. So I have added the image behind my text. Now, if I want to make it more blur, I can go ahead and do that as well. So this is how you can create this effect right here on Canva. Let me show you some of the few others effects that you can actually go ahead and create. So when you go to text right here on Canva, we get a lot of different combinations as well. So you can choose from these as well. So this is how you can actually go for. These are the different text effects we get on Canva, and you can create them by yourself as well. So this one is actually pretty cool. You can simply go ahead and select this one if you want to create any text like this. So simply select this text and it will be added to your canvas. And now whatever I will write, it will be written in this font right here. So you can see I have written how to global, and you can see this is how we use the already created effects, and this is how I can write whatever I want to in this effect right here. After that, there are other effects as well. We can go with this one right here. This one is pretty cool. So I can simply select this one, and after that you can also create these effects by yourself as I created this one. So what happens is you can change the font from here, you can change the color, you can change the size, whatever you want to do. Canva allows you to do a lot with your text. You can also animate your text when you are creating videos and presentations. So even with this one right now, if I want to change the color, right now it's red, and you can see I am getting all the colors I have. So for red, I can actually go ahead and change the color for this one. Maybe I can go with another color, and I can actually go with a purple one, maybe the one we have above. Perfect. So I can go with a purple, or I can just stay with a pink. So that is how we can actually add different effects. If you want to animate your text, you simply click on the text and you will find this option of effects. In effects, you will find all of these: none, shadow. Then we have a glitch option. Glitch allows you to create like this awesome effect of your own, and then you have the color. The color of the glitch is going to be purple and this sea green color, or you can go with a red or sea green. So if you want to add a glitch to any of the text, let's go and add a new text, and let me show you how you add a glitch effect. So let's go with a heading, and I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly type something. So I have literally typed something. That is how it is going to be now. So I have typed something, and I'm gonna go ahead, click on this one, go to effects, and I'm gonna go to glitch. There you go. And you can see now it has a glitch to it. So the color of the text is right now it's black. If I want to go for another color, then you will be able to see the glitch. So if I go with black, then it kind of like gives our text this, it looks like a TikTok logo, right? So you can see the glitch right here. Now, if I want to, increase the size of my text, then it will be more prominent. I can go ahead and change the font. Of course, you can go with any of the font. Let's go with this font right here. So you can see now I have created something like this. So this is my text effect that I have created myself. So this is how you can go for a text like this, or you can actually go for all of these, or you can do a lot with your text. You can animate your text as well. When we simply click on animate, then you can add these different effects of animation as well. So that is how you can go ahead and create these awesome and very creative, cool looking text effects with canva.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create these awesome text effects with canva.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.